Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you a recipe for really crispy chicken and it looks so funky. And best part, it is egg-free and it stays crispy. What you need is samosa sheets. You want to cut them lengthwise like I'm doing here. Cut them in thin strips and then turn them around and cut them again until you get little squares like I have here. You want to get a good, decent amount. I used about 10 sheets in total. If you have a food processor with a blade, this would of course be a lot easier and you would get your flakes in no time. Ta-da! Okay, next you need to have some chicken that's been cut up into strips, or you can do squares, whatever you like, and a couple of spices. The ingredient list, as always, is in the description box below. Check it out there. I also added some chopped coriander, and you want to mix everything well. If you're doing this for public, please use gloves. I have thoroughly washed my hands. Once you've mixed everything in, let's make our batter. I'm adding some flour and rice flour. These are my two magic ingredients for super crispy chicken anytime. You can even just use this batter on its own. I added salt and a little water. You want to just stir and add the water a little at a time, because if you add too much, you'll have a runny batter. And if you add too little, you'll have a clumpy batter. You want to try and get something in between. So as you see there, it's still too thick. You want to add a little more, literally like maybe 3 tablespoons more. Good. I always like when people say add 3 tablespoons and then they add like a whole cup. This makes me crack up. So I'm happy with the consistency. Set that aside. You want to grab your chicken piece by piece and just dunk it into the batter. And then once it's evenly coated, you want to then add it to your flakes and then just move it around a bit. Set it aside and repeat with all your pieces. You can do this with chicken on the bone as well. Great results every time. Once your oil's hot and ready, you want to add your chicken. Make sure the temperature is not too high. Keep it on a medium heat. And then just cook both sides or fry both sides of your chicken until the color is beautiful, like so. You guys, I can't even begin to tell you how good that was. I had it with some chili mayo. If you'd like to know how to make a quick no-fail mayo, click on the link above here and you can just add chili to make it a chili mayo. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, you guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to this channel. And very important, click the bell icon, because that way you'll be notified when new tutorials are out and you won't miss a thing. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye!